Our system, CanineCare, is designed to help busy dog owners take care of their dog. Specifically, we track fitness levels and dietary intake. The system consists of a dog bowl, a dog collar, and a mobile app. Let's look at the mobile app. So as you can see, when we open up the app, we come to the home screen for the CanineCare. And you can see a picture of your dog here, along with a health score that's calculated based on the food intake and the activity levels of your dog. Right now, it tells you that your dog is active and that your dog is fed, which means that based on the data that's collected, your dog is currently healthy. Let's take a look at the food section. As you can see, this shows that the time last fed was 7 o'clock p.m. Now, if we insert food into the bowl, like so, the time will automatically update to the current time, which is 11:34 p.m., and it shows the current weight in the bowl, 44 grams. This information can be useful to determine whether or not a dog is eating regularly, and this can be helpful in determining whether or not the dog is sick. Now, if we go to diet report, we can get real-time data for the dog's weight. So if we insert and remove weight from the dog's bowl, we can see this live. So as you can see, it's updating live data. And eventually this will show a nice graph of the dog's food levels. Now, if we go back to the home screen, we can go to activity to see whether or not the dog is being active. Okay, so now we can look at the activity levels of the dog. So if you can see here, it shows how many steps your dog has taken today and the level of your dog's activity level. Right now, it says that your dog is active and your dog has been exercising more than the average dog. So we can use this dog collar on an actual dog, and if we shake this dog collar, we can see that the actual steps that are taken change. As you can see, this has updated by a significant amount to show that it's 2,653. We can also look at the fitness reports for the dog, which will show the live data again. And if we shake the dog collar, we can see that this value changes. This number just indicates the general activity level of the dog and is used for relative data. Now we can go back to the screen and we can open activity data, which gives you a longer period of time than just real-time data. So we can look at day, month, and week activity levels for your dog. And it shows the average level that should be taken by your dog and the steps that your dog has taken per day. We can go back to the screen. So now we can see that in the case that your dog isn't actually that healthy, you get a series of alerts on your phone. This alert tells you that you may want to walk your dog. This is a medium severity alert that shows you that your dog has not been getting the recommended activity levels that you need. So as you can see, this screen now tells you that you may want to walk your dog. On this panel here, you can see that it says that you must feed your dog, meaning that your dog is in severely low food levels and needs to be fed. So now this screen will show a bright orange alert and tell you that you must feed your dog immediately. Now let's say you want to export your data to another caretaker, such as your vet. You can do this by clicking this button right here, which sends the report. Now you can select what kinds of data you want to send to your vet and the email of your vet. Let's say we just want to send food data to your vet, and your vet's email is vet@gmail.com, but we won't type that in. So now we can click the send button, and as you can see, it sends to the vet. One additional feature we added to this app since last time, in addition to the others such as this button here and the weight, is that we are enabled these buttons to be clicked and bring you automatically to the screen that you want. So if I press the activity button, it can automatically swipe me to the screen. On the other hand, if I press the food button, it will also automatically swipe me to that screen.